وَلَقَدْ يَسَّرْنَا الْقُرْآنَ لِلذِّكْرِ فَهَلْ مِن مُدَّكِرٍ.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Welcome back, dear brothers and sisters. I welcome you all to Medina Book 3. Inshallah, we'll be doing class 37 today. Going forward in lesson number 10, where we're learning about the sentences. So let's revise ourselves what we've learned in the previous class and then take it forward this lesson, inshallah. So going to al-jumlatu imma ismiyatun wa imma fi'liyatun. So the sentence, either it is a verbal nominal sentence, or it is a verbal sentence. Fal-jumlatul ismiyatu, so as for the nominal sentence, so here allati sadruha. So it is here, it refers to al-jumla allati, that which, sadruha. What is sadruha? Sadruha here it means at the beginning of it, awwaluha or bidayatuha. So the beginning of which has these following things. What are those? The first one is ismun sarihun. So what is ismun sarihun? Sarihun means very clear-cut, explicit noun. So ismun is a noun. So this is a naat. Sarihun, ismun sarihun, a clear-cut noun. So it is you can identify it very clearly. For example, nahu, example, Allahu Ghafurun. So here the word Allah, lafz jalala, that is ismun. So it's very clear cut. So it's not a fa'al, it is an ism. So you can have a very clear cut noun in the beginning. So that is the jumlatul ismiya. Hadihi madrasatun. So this is a school. So here hadihi is a pronoun. We know all demonstrative pronouns are the nouns. And ana mujtahidun. So again, ana is a pronoun. So it is an ism. So all these things tells us that this is a jumlatul ismiya. So what are the other things which can come to tell us that it is an jumlatul ismiya? It is, the second thing is masdar muawwal. Masdar muawwal. So we know masdar muawwal, it is an plus fa'al mudari' mansubun. So the combination of which is called masdar muawwal. So for example, wa an tasumu khayrul lakum. An tasumu khayrul lakum. So here an plus fa'al mudari' mansub. How do we know mansub? This is tasumuna. So noon is dropped bi hazafi noon. So this is a mansub. So here what does it actually means? Taqdirul kalami, the estimation of the speech here. An tasumu means siyamukum. So wow represents antum. So when we make bring a proper masdar and mudaf ilayhi, so we have to make a majroor pronoun which will be kum. So siyamukum khairul lakum. So your fasting is good for you. Or we can use a masdar muawwal, an tasumu khairul lakum. So fa an tasumu taqdiruhu siyamukum. That's what it says here. And what is the third thing which tells us that's a jumlatul ismiya? Is harfun mushabbahun bil fa'al. So it is a harf. So we remember in the last class we said it is a harf which does the function of a fa'al, but it is an ism. So it's very ironic here. So a particle which does the action of verb, but it is considered as a noun. So harfun mushabbahun bil fa'al. So nahu. So it is inna and akhwatu inna. So inna Allah. So what does inna does? It acts like a fa'al and it gives the noun following a nasb. So here Allah, lafz jalala, Allah is, so it's called ismu inna, and it will have a khabar which is marfu. Inna Allah ghafurun rahimun. So it is a jumlatul ismiya. So we know the inna and min akhwatu inna, it is inna, anna, ka'anna, layta, lakinna, la'ala. These are the three things which tells us that it is jumlatul ismiya. What is jumlatul fa'liya? So jumlatul fa'liya hiya allati sadruha. So it is the one which in beginning of it, what do we see? So either we can see a fa'alun tamun. So a complete verb. For example, talati shamsu. So tala'a means it rose. So tala'at, shams is muannas, so we say tala'atis. So we know why this kasra is just for the phonetics reasons. So the sun rose. The second type of fa'al which can tells us the jumlat al-fa'liya is fa'lun naqisun. So we did the fa'al naqis. It is in two ways. One is in the construction, but here it is in the meaning. So one is the complete meaning and second is the incomplete meaning. So in incomplete meaning, so we know kana and akhwatu kana. So for example, kana al-jawu bari dan. So the difference between fa'al tamun and fa'al naqis, what is the difference? Is that fa'al tamun يحتاج إلى فاعل. So فعل تام, the complete فعل, it requires يحتاج. So here it will requires a file. والفعل ناقص, whereas the فعل ناقص يحتاج إلى اسم وخبر. So in the فعل ناقص we say it is اسم فعل, it's not a file. So that is the difference. And when the فعل ناقص, it always needs a khabar to make complete sense. Otherwise it doesn't make sense. So we're going to do more exercise inshallah. So going to the main lesson. So this was the brief introduction to what we're doing in this lesson. So we're going to go through from where we stopped. So where the students were told by the muraqib that they can disperse, insarifu, so they can go to their ilal mahja'i, so go to their dormitory. So what happens from there? Kharajna min mabna al-mahdi. So what is mabna al-mahdi? Mabna al-mahdi means building of institute. So we went out. So kharaj, that's the fa'al, na is the fa'il, so fa'il from the institute. كانت الساعة الثانية عشرة والنصف. So again we know kana, so we are looking for, this is fa'al naqis, because it is mu'annas we have kanat. So we are looking for ism kana here. What is ism kana? It is marfu. What is marfu here? As-saatu. So the time was. So we need to have khabar. So we know khabar kana is mansub. What is mansub here? So we can see as-saniyata ashrata wan nisf. What is as-saniyata ashrata wan nisf? It is 12:30. So one nisfa. So we know this murakkab here, as-saniyata ashrata, is mabni. Even if it was marfu, it would have been fatha. Even if it is majrur, it would have been fatha. How do we know this is mansub? Is if you look at the mawtufun ala, so one nisfa. So nisfa is your mansub. So which tells us, you know, this is also mansub because it's mawtufun ala. So if you want to change this sentence, so here we're telling the time was 12:30. So if you want to make it 12:30 was time, so we say كانت الثانية عشر والنصف الساعة. So if you just switch around, so the vowel signs change. So we should be able to do these things. So make it ism into khabar into ism, and change the pattern. So understand the vowel signs. So the time was 12:30. رأى بعض الزملاء أن نعود مدرسنا المريضة. So what is it? رأى means. So we know one of the meaning what we have learned so far is رأى is to see. So here it means ra'a is to think. So they thought, because ra'a, it has two meanings, ra'a al-basri wa ra'a sam'i. Sam'i is to think, qalbi, and basri is to see. So here they thought. So who thought? What is the fa'il? So we're looking for the marfu. So it's ba'adu. So ba'adu is your fa'il. So some of them, and that is mudaf, and zumala'i is your mudaf ilayhi. So some of my colleagues, so he's telling, some of my colleagues thought an-na'uda. So what is an-na'uda? So here an-na'uda is your masdar mu'awwal. So here masdar mu'awwal, it is coming as a maf'ulun bihi for ra'a, but that itself comes from na'uda, it comes from aada ya'udu. So we have learned one of the meaning of aada, which is to return, which is same like raja'a. Raja'a is to return, but here it means to visit, especially a sick person, to visit a sick person. So some of my colleagues thought that we should visit mudarrisana. So again, mudarrisa coming as maf'ulun bihi for na'uda, and na is your mudaf ilayhi, and al-marida, that is your na'at for mudarrisa. So some of my colleague thought of visiting our sick teacher. رأى بعض الزملاء أن نعود مدرسنا المريض فقلت لهم, but I said to them. So this fa is coming for the reason they thought about this. فقلت لهم, I said to them, ليس الوقت مناسبا. So again a good sentence here. ليس here فعل ناقص. So we're looking what do we see in فعل ناقص? اسم and خبر. What is اسم ليس here? اسم ليس is marfu, is al-waqtu. So the time is not. So we need some more information. What is not? Time is not. Time is what? Munasiban. See, munasiban is mansub. That is the khabar for laysa. So time is not appropriate lil iyadati, for visiting. So ada ya'udu. So here iyadatun is your masdar. So the time is not good to visit the sick person. Sana'udu. So we'll visit ba'da salatil asri insha'Allah. So we'll visit after. So again ba'da, we know it's not ba'du or ba'di. It's because it is maf'ulun bihi. Ba'da salatil asri insha'Allah. After the asr salah insha'Allah. Qalu ar-ra'yu ra'yuka. So what did they say? Qalu, waw represents whom. So they said, what did they say? Ar-ra'yu. So again, ra'yu here, that is a masdar for ra. It's here, it means opinion. So we say rai in Urdu. So here ra'yu is the opinion. This is the opinion is your opinion. That means your opinion is a perfect opinion. That's what I said. So we're going to visit after Salatul Asr. So that opinion is the best opinion. So that brings us to the end of this conversation. So we're going to inshallah do some exercises and have plenty of practice in understanding how the sentence begin and how to identify jumla ismiya and jumlatul fa'liya. So ajib anil asilatil atiyati, answer the following questions. Lima lam yahdural mudarrisu. So it is su here. So why did not the teacher attend? So we know lam yahduril mudarrisu li'annahu, because he was sick. So how do we say? He was means kana. So we have to bring kana and we have to bring khabar. So you can say kana al mudarrisu maridan, because the teacher was sick. Or you can also say lam yahduril mudarrisu kana maridan, or you can just say kana maridan. That's khabar kana. Manil ladhi samahat للطلاب بالانصراف. Who is the one that who advised the students to disperse? من الذي سمح يسمح to advise. So we know that was a muraqib. So you can say huwal muraqib. So muraqib is the one who advised them. Third question. كم كانت الساعة عندما خرجوا من المبنى المحذي. So come, we know. After come, what will get is kanat. How much was? So again because kana is coming, so we need to have ism and khabar. So again same thing here. Ism kana is your sa'atu. So what was the time? And again we need khabar. So we need to have more news to make sense of it. So here indama. So indama means when. Indama means when. What was the time when? Kharaju. So who left? They left. Kam kanat as-sa'atu indama kharaju. So here waw represents whom? Min al-mabna al-mahdi. So we know that the time was 12:30. How would you say? Kanat as-sa'atu. Again kanat as-sa'atu. So we need to say الثانية عشرة والنصف. So كانت الساعة الثانية عشرة والنصف عندما خرجوا من المعهد. So when they left the institute. So again we are going to do some exercises. Al-Jumla. So we know Jumla can be two types. Jumlatul Ismiya, Jumlatul Fa'liya. Just bringing some more examples. Allahu Ghafurun. So what type of beginning is this? It's called Ismun Sarihun. So it's a very clear-cut, explicit noun. So and Khabar is here. Marfu, both are Marfu here. Talatish Shamsu. So the sun rose. Again, Jumlatul Ismiya, we know Antasumu al-Mastar Mu'awwal. So Antasumu khairul lakum. So your fasting is better for you. So it could be Siyamukum, or we can make it into Mastar Mu'awwal. So Jumlatul Fa'liya can be Fa'il Naqis. Kana al-Jawu bari dan. So the weather was. So we know we need more khabar. So it will be bari dan. So again, harfu mushabbahu bil fa'al. So inna Allah ghafurun. Inna Allah ghafurun. Truly Allah is merciful. استخرج ما في الدرس من الجملة الاسمية وأين نوع الصدر في كل واحد منها. So here Dr. Abdul Rahim wants us to bring out from the lesson all the Jumlatul Ismiya and specify the type, the beginning of each sentence. So you need to specify. So I'm bringing you the table here. Dr. Abdul Rahim tells us. So what are the things which we have seen in the lesson? Is Al-Jumlatul Ismiya and the type. So Ar-Ra'yu Ra'yuka. So Ar-Ra'yu is a masdar. So it is a Ismun Sarihun. So a clear-cut noun. So your opinion is the opinion. An tazhabu ila al-maktabati khairul lakum. An tazhabu is your masdar mu'awwal, coming as a mubtada here. So Jumlatul Ismiya. So you are going for the library is better for you. Ma hadha. So we know ma. Again, what is a Ismun Sarihun again here. And amrukum fawda. So again, amru, that is a masdar, it's Ismun Sarihun, and your affairs is chaos. So ka'anna al-fasla suqun. So we know ka'anna. So inna anna ka'anna layta lakinna la'alla. So this is a harf mushabbahu bil fa'l. So again they will have ismu mansub and khabar marfu. We should always remember the difference between fa'al naqis and harf mushabba bil fa'al, because they have their ism and khabar with the different role signs. We should not get confused. We're going to do exercise more inshallah now. Inna mudarrisakum maridun. So inna again, we know harf mushabbaha bil fa'al. So truly your teacher is sick. فَبَعْدُهُمْ. So again, ba'du is your ism. Some of them waqafa yakhtubu. So some of them they stood giving lecture. استخرج ما في الدرس من الجملة الفعلية. So bring out from the lesson all the جملة الفعلية, all the verbal sentence. وأين نوع الصدر في كل واحد منها, and specify the type of the beginning in each sentence. So let's see if we can identify whether it is فعل تام or فعل ناقص. رن الجرس. رن, the bell rang. So is a فعل تام. Makes complete sense. بدأت الحصة الخامسة. بدأ, it is again فعل تام. So it started, what started? The fifth lesson. مرت, to pass by. What passed? عشر. So مرت again عشر دقائق, 10 minutes passed أو أكثر. ولم يأتي, أتى يأتي is to come here. So we have done our previous أتى يأتي. Be means to bring, and if it comes on its own, it means to come. So he did not come. Who did not come? مدرس. سائمة. سائمة is to get bored. So سائمة الطلاب again is a فعل تام. الانتظار, so they got bored of waiting. وتفقوا, so again we know تفقوا, تفق, أخذ, جعل, شرع, they all فعل ناقص, they all need اسم and خبر. So here تفقوا, they started what? يتحركون, to do some activity. So there are more sentences. If you have time, you please go around and have a look if you can identify more of the ism and khabar and jumla tul fa'liya. How will? So very good exercise here. How will is mean to change. Hawwala yuhawwilu. Bab taf'il is the form 2. So change al masadira. So masadira again it is a mafa'ilu, mafa'ila, that's the pattern. Al-waridata, that which are mentioned. Change the masters that are mentioned fil jumlatil atiyati, in the following sentences, ila masadira mu'awwala. So to masdar mu'awwal. So why it is mu'awwalatun? Because masadir again is a kullu jama' muannas coming as a naat. So here ila masadira. So why masadira? Because it's mamnu' min sarf. So it will not take kasra. So to and mu'awwalatin. So it has to be mu'awwalatin. So let's check it out. Baqa'uka huna fil utlati ahsanu laka. So what is baqa'u? So first of all we have to identify what fa'il is this. So this here it is baqa, and you know there's a fa'il naqis here. So here it is baqiya, baqiya, to remain. So remaining of yours, baqa'uka, you are staying here or you are remaining here. Fil utlati, in the holiday, ahsanu laka, is better for you. So if you want to change this baqa'u into al-masdar mu'awwal, how would you do it? An tabqa, an tabqa. So baqiya yabqa, anta tabqa. So it's because it's fa'il naqis, so you will not have a vowel sign at the end of the letter. So but it is mansoob. It is mansoob. An tabqa huna. So to stay, you staying here is better for you. Sakanuna. So again first understand the fa'il sakana yaskunu. So then once you get the fa'il, so then bring the an and then change it to mudari. Sakana yaskunu, make it to na. Nahnu will be, if you bring 5 in your pocket, yaskunu, taskunu, taskunu, askunu, naskunu. So naskunu will be nahnu. So an, when we bring an, what happens? We have to make it mansoob. So we'll say an naskuna, an naskuna. So staying of ours fil mahjai afdalulana, in the dormitory is the best thing for us. So change sakanuna to an naskuna. So this is how we have to change the masdar into masdar mu'awwal. One more example. Qala mudarrisul khatti. So qala, he said. Who said? Mudarrisu, teacher of, what is khatti? Means writing, handwriting. So teacher of handwriting, he said, kitabatukum nisfa safhatin bi khattin jamilin ahabbu ilayya min kitabatukum safhatin bi khattin radi'in. What does it mean? Kitabatu means to write, writing, writing of yours. So again, what is the fa'il here? First understand the fa'il. Go back to the root fa'il. It will be kataba, kataba. So make it mudariya, yaktubu. So make 5 in your pocket. Yaktubu, taktubu, taktubu, aktubu, naktubu. So here we're looking at the who is it addressed to? Kum. Kum means antum. So it will be taktubuna. Taktubuna. Yaktubuna is hum and antum will be taktubuna. So if you want to make taktubuna into mansoob, when you bring an, so we have to drop the noon. So it will be an taktubu, an taktubu. So you're writing again. So wow represents antum here. So everything else remains the same. So nisfa, you're writing half a page. Nisfa means half a page. Bi khattin jamilin, with beautiful writing. Ahabbu. So here it is. Ismu tafdil is more dear. Is more dear. Ilayya, to me. Is more dear to me. Min kitabatukum, from writing of yours. Safahatin bi khattin radin, pages and pages with radi means useless, you know, the dirty, you can say. Raddi, what you say in Urdu. So with useless handwriting. Before, here Dr. Abdurrahim is asking us the questions. ما تقدير المصدر المؤول في قوله تعالى في سورة البقرة? What is the estimation of the speech when we have masdar mu'awwal, but it is directed to something else which is a proper masdar. So we have to find out what is the proper masdar for masdar mu'awwal. It's the other way around here. So في سورة البقرة verse 137 وأن تعفوا أقرب للتقوى. So أن تعفوا, that is your masdar mu'awwal. So we know an ta'afu. So why it is mansub here? Ta'afuna. So noon was there. What is the fa'il? So go for the fa'il. Afa ya'fu is to pardon. So you are pardoning. So we have got masdar here, afun. So the masdar from afa ya'fu is afun. So if you want to change this, so what do? It will be afu kum, because we are making as mudaf ilayhi. So we have to take one dhamma away, and waw represents antum, and majroor form will be kum. So we say afukum aqrabu littaqwa. So your pardoning is more closest. Here it is means ismu tafdil aqrabu. It is the closest thing to what? Littaqwa, to piety, to be conscious of Allah. So if you are conscious, that means you have to pardon. So pardoning is more closer to piety. هاتي ثلاثة أمثلة للجملة الاسمية صدرها أحرف مشبهة بالفعل. So it's very easy exercise here. So here Dr. Abdurrahim says, bring 3 sentences. The beginning of it is harf mushabbah bil fa'il. So it has to be a particle, which is inna, anna, kanna, layta, lakinna, lalla. So use any of these and make a sentence. So we can say innal jawwa baridun, or you can say inna Allah ghafurur rahim. Truly Allah is pardoning and merciful. One who forgives and one is merciful. So bring any ka'anna. You can say ka'anna al-fasla suqun. So you can say ka'anna al-fasla suqun. Then say la'alla, so we know hope. La'alla bilalan yazuruni yawma. So I hope Bilal visits me today. So we can take any of these and then make sentences with what you've learned. Makes very easy sentences. هاتي ثلاثة أمثلة للجملة الفعلية صدرها أفعال تامة. So bring 3 sentences, the beginning of which will have فعل tam, the complete. So you can bring anything like jalasa hamidun, daraba aliyun, all these things, whatever we have learned. Jalasat at-talibatu, ranna al-jarsu, if you want to bring from the lesson. Sa'imatul labu, so that the students were bored. Al-intizara. So all these files will have complete. So you can bring any simple sentence. So again, هات ثلاثة جمل فعلية صدرها أفعال ناقص. So again we have to bring the naqis. So we know naqis will have ism and khabar. Naqis for the meaning. So again kana. So if you have to bring kana al-jawwu haran. So the weather was hot. So we got to be very clear cut in our mind. So with fa'al naqis will harfu mushabbah bil fa'al and ismu sarihun. So if you want to change this to this ismu sarihun, we have to say al-jawwu harun. The weather is hot. So if you want to say truly, so say innal jawwa harun. Truly the weather is hot. But if you want to make it as a naqis, let's say kana al jawwu haran. So these are the things which we keep shifting in our mind, so we know the vowel signs and we understand the meaning of each thing. Laysa al qalamu maksurun. So the pen is not broken. So again, if you want to change it to ismu sarihun and harfu mushabbah bil fa'al and fa'al naqis, so you can say al qalamu maksurun. The pen is broken. So if you say truly, so innal qalama maksurun again. And when we have to break ism fa'al naqis, we say laysa or kana. So it was or it was not. Qalamu maksurun. So ism and khabar. Tafiqa. So we know tafiqa is to begin with. So it's called verb of initiative. So when we bring it to this will have ism and khabar, but the speciality of the khabar here, it will be always be jumlatul fa'liya and that Jumlatul Fi'liya will be Mudari'. So طفق الطلاب, the students started what? يكتبون, started to write, or you can say started to eat. يأكلون, يخرجون, started to leave. So you can bring anything. أدخل كل فعل من هذه الأفعال في جملة مفيدة. طفق, جعل, أخذ. So we have to bring these files, طفق, جعل. So they all mean the same, but use it in different ways. So we know, we just did one example. طفق الطلاب يتحركون, you can say, or say طفق الرجل يصلي. So the man started to pray. He started to pray. So ism and khabar. Khabar always will be mudari' in all of these cases. Ja'ala. So you can say Ja'ala tiflu yadhaku. The boy started to laugh. Akhadha at-talibu yaqra'u. The student started to read. So you can bring anything in a day-to-day life, started to walk, started to eat. So now hati mudari al-af'al atiyati. So bring mudari of the following sentences. So it's quite easy. Taharraka. So we need to identify what is the fa'al here. What form is this? So we can see ta and harraka is form 2. This 3 plus 2 is form 5. Taharraka yata harraku. So we know it will be all fatha fatha. Yata harraku. And what is the bab? What is the masdar with? Bab tafa'ulun tabassum taharruku. That will be your masdar. Abitha. Abitha will be basu. Abitha ya'basu. Sami'a yasma'u. Again sa'ima to get bored, and it will be yes amu. Again, that is your sami'a yasma'u. Bab sami'a. So this brings us to the end of lesson number 10. So and then that finishes of our class 37. So alhamdulillah, so we've learned how to identify the Jumlatul Ismiya. So we have learned how to identify Jumlatul Fa'liya and Jumlatul Fa'liya, what are the different files can come, and how to identify whether it needs a fa'il or it needs a ism. So these are very important things. So we're going to have more of this revision in our next class, lesson number 11. We get more and more practice, alhamdulillah. So until then, you have to keep writing, keep practicing, and make yourself strong. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.